If I don't feel like doing it, I won't do it. That's the sentence that I lived by for so long. If you were in my walls, you would just see me being lazy on my couch watching SpongeBob. It just felt so good to watch SpongeBob. Watch the same SpongeBob episode for the 5th time in the row. But all it took me was a few seconds to actually change being lazy and change the way I lived my life. This hack that took me a few seconds was able to make me money online, able to have this channel where I'm talking to you right now, play sports, talk to so many people at school, and have a blast in my life, really. My name's Timothy, and I just love sharing things that I've done in my life and giving it to you, so hopefully you can think about something that I say. And if you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing because I post videos like these. I try to do it every week. If you want to get closer to me, join that like-minded club in the description right now. I'd love to talk to you and chat with you and see what you have to say about things. I would, for rare moments, get up to get some banana or get something to play with, get my phone. But I never put them back. I never put the phone where I found it. I never put my banana in the trash or compost. I would always just say I would do it later. I'm gonna watch this SpongeBob episode first. I'm gonna play some more video games and then I'll do it. And you wanna know the cool thing about this is that I actually did it. As soon as I finished my SpongeBob episode or something, I would actually put the banana in the compost. I'd put my phone in the charging because it'd always die from how many Brawl Stars and Clash Royale games I played. So it took me a while to put my banana in the compost. Well, what do you think happened to other areas in my life? You think I did it right away, or do you think I waited till I did this? Do you think I procrastinated on my homework? No, because I was so used to just waiting to put my banana in the compost. My life looked like I waited to do things, waited for certain events to happen, and I didn't just take action on myself. And really think about it. How long do you think it takes to put some type of food in the trash? 5 seconds? And just that 5-second little thing of getting up, putting it away, getting back, that could have made me so much more productive. That could have actually made me stop watching so much YouTube, stop watching so much SpongeBob videos on repeat. So as I got better with my life, I started to not play as much video games. I didn't even play video games at all. I stopped watching pointless videos and didn't watch SpongeBob anymore, but I still love SpongeBob. I did it with other things in my life as well because I gotten used to putting my banana in the compost, that I put my clothes away, that I did the chores right away, that I picked up trash around my room and put it where it belongs, in the trash or in the storage. I remember also I would always eat carrots, but I'd always just leave the carrot peels in the sink because I just peel it up. Like, oh, I know how to peel it, but I'm not going to do anything else because, peeling was such a massive advancement in my life instead of just asking my mom to make me a carrot. But when I started to put the carrot peels right away in the compost, that changed a lot about my life. And these small moments of taking action right away instead of doing it later, you might think it's fine because oh, you're just going to do it later. But it's going to apply to other areas in your life. Because I've been starting to do things right away and not waiting for someone else to do it or something, it applied to soccer when I played sports. I started to hustle a lot more for the ball. Like when it was an even match for this is the ball, the banana, and these are 2 players, I'd always run up to the ball first. I'd always be hustling first. Not only does this make you less lazy, but it translates to when you play soccer, when you try to make money. You do things a lot more quicker and right away, and you don't procrastinate or delay things as much. So many times I had this homework that took 3 minutes to do, but as soon as I've been starting to put my banana in the compost and I started to do those homeworks right away, I started to take action on how to make money right away, and then I'm starting to make thousands of dollars a month. Then I'm starting to have my room a lot cleaner. And so the next thing that also took a super short amount of time, whenever I had a task presented to me, instead of thinking of it as this massive thing, I broke it up into little parts. The reason why I'm out of breath, because I tried to get the banana in the shot 3 times, but I messed it up. So my mom told me to vacuum because it was getting pretty messy on the floor. I say I'll do it today, then I say that tomorrow, and then I say that on the weekend. But then I just finally think, well, I'll just start off by taking the vacuum out, and I'll just turn the vacuum on. Then I'll just vacuum the small tiny room. I didn't think of it as this massive thing to vacuum the whole house, which is probably going to take like 30 minutes. I thought of it of this small thing that can only take a few seconds, just turning on the vacuum. So then after I finish the first room, I turn it off because I already vacuumed the whole house. I tricked my brain into thinking I was just going to do this small thing that doesn't require that much discipline or something, and it actually resulted in me being a lot more motivated to do the thing. So these are some realistic things that I hope you can think about right now and start to apply it in your own life so you can stop being lazy, because this completely cured my laziness. But if you want a guaranteed way to quit your bad habits, start making money online, start doing cooler things in your life, click that Calendly link in the description to book a call with me where I'd love to show you the things I offer for you to actually quit those bad habits, stop being so lazy. If you want to surround yourself with hundreds of like-minded people who want to get better, click that like-minded club in the description. Join that right now. If you found this video interesting or helpful, do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. I'd love for more people to see this. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you thought of this video, and let me know what you thought of that freaking banana. And let me know if you like SpongeBob or not. Are you a SpongeBob fan? I don't even know what my favorite SpongeBob character is. It's definitely not SpongeBob, because he's just like, the main character, it'd be kind of weird to like him the most, but yeah, I don't know. Squidward's a little depressing. Patrick might be a little crazy sometimes. Yeah, I honestly don't know. But I really hope you can think about what I said. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope you can get off your chair and do that thing you might have been putting off for a while. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later, bro. Peace.
Put it in the compost. I'm gonna put my banana in the compost now.